Hi everyone, it's Deb from Deb's RV Services, and welcome to today's video. This is another video where I'm working with my friend Carol from Inspection Specialist. She's in Pennsylvania, and we're working on a refrigerator that she previously diagnosed as a bad heating element. And so we were going out there to replace that. What we didn't know is that there were going to be some other issues. Now in this video, it is a little noisy because we had to have the generator running the whole time. So what I did in editing is I kind of lowered the volume during the parts that she wasn't speaking and just tried to make it as, clean as possible. But I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what it was like, me kind of observing her as she diagnosed at, some of these other issues that were going on. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so first, Carol is going to explain to us why she doesn't like to purchase her parts from Amazon. And sorry about the changes in my background, but my microphone died, so I had to re-record everything that I had previously recorded.
Amazon parts. Okay.
Ooh, yes.
So this customer is complaining about the refrigerator not working on electric. So I came out last week and went through the diagnostic flow and found that their heating element has no continuity. So this element is burned out. So I looked online with all of my distributors and wholesalers, and there was not a heating element available for this refrigerator, and these customers are leaving today to go on a trip. So I needed to come up with a quick solution for them to at least get them through their trip until they got back, which would give me enough time to get one in, hopefully from Dometic.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing I could find was a knockoff element on Amazon. So I had the discussion with the customer and I said to him, listen, I can get a knockoff on Amazon. It's like 20-30 bucks. It'll probably get you through your trip, and then when you get back I can swap it out for an OEM one.
Mm-hmm.
He said, okay. And I said, I can't guarantee anything that gets bought off of Amazon because I have no idea what quality it is. He said, all right, we'll try it, no problem. And in a worst case scenario, I have the gas side of my fridge that works. I said, okay, great. So I ordered it. And I ordered what looked like the best one on Amazon. There's a million different variations of it, but I ordered what seemed to be and what looked like the best one, based on reviews and everything else. The Amazon one comes in, and this is what came, okay? Look at the size of the element.
Mm-hmm.
More importantly, this is OEM, this is Amazon. Look at the size of the wire.
Oh yeah, definitely a difference.
I made a decision at that point. I said, absolutely not. I will not put the Amazon one in because this one is likely to overheat.
Yep, good call.
Why I don't like to use Amazon parts, because you never know what you're gonna get.
Yep, that's a good point. Okay, so here Carol is trying to open up the area to put in the new heating element, and it's a little cumbersome, and she had to take some, other things apart, and I wasn't able to capture the video of her actually placing it in. It has to go in these two slots very carefully. It can't get placed in there on the insulation because it gets very hot, so it has to go in, be positioned correctly. So I didn't get that footage, but that is what she did in this part of the video.
generator running at the moment, so this outlet is live. So you notice I'm working with the cord unplugged.
Yeah.
Although the 12 volt side of this is still
Active,
which is fine. So we're gonna go down here. Have to replug our temp limit switch back in. Okay. And now I can plug our unit back in. Let's see. Get my wires kind of where I want them. I'm not going to put the cover on the board just yet because I want to see this fridge working. And I don't want anything laying up against our glue here. Ah. Alright, here we go. Now we'll go inside and turn it on. Keep it simple.
So Carol got the heating element working correctly. She got the right amperage. And then we decided to go up to the top vent and take a look and make sure everything else looked good. And the fans were not working correctly. So now Carol has to diagnose a new issue.
So say you see this dead space up here?
Yep.
I would probably want to put something up top, like a piece of metal screwed into the ceiling that comes down and touches up here so that it kind of scoops the hot air out.
And then the baffle right up to here.
Yep. I don't think I have anything to ground me up here, so we might have to go down into the lower section. Let's just see. I don't have a ground up here.
Can you do it to a screw?
It's not usually up top.
Yeah, it's, well, 0.2.
I wouldn't think that I have up top. Okay. Almost never do. So let's see if there.
This says 0.2. I'm going to make sure this is in. 0.1, 0.2.
Put it in the other side. Maybe I was lying and it was the other side.
Same thing, 0.2.
So we lost our voltage up there. Isn't that interesting?
That is interesting.
All right.
it's not the board, it's just that sensor.
Don't know. I can't say that for sure yet.
So you tested that first to make sure there was power coming in, correct? These two right here. And then you decided to go and test, you just wanted to test that to see if it was getting 12 volts.
So your power comes in here and splits. It goes up this fuse line, which goes up to fans. We'll check that. But also it comes in here and then goes to the board. The board is what controls everything. So I have 13.5 volts there. So I need see, this sensor's a little wonky too. Alright, so I have 13.5 there. I got 13.5 there.
Okay.
So let's see. Of course.
Fuse.
Done. So I have voltage going up.
So maybe it's just that switch up there.
Back up and check. Also gonna check.
What is that you're checking?
Fuse.
Okay.
Board fuse. It's really hard to get to. Get there. Okay. So let's make sure that we're good. Fans are running.
They're running. Fans are working. Oh, and they just shut off. So what Carol determined is that there was a loose connection on that sensor. Once she actually played around with it and the fan started working, and she was able to get everything working correctly, and the customer has not called and said that the refrigerator was not working since that time. So everything is working okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed working with Carol and getting, that opportunity to film another technician. I don't always get videos of myself working on things. It's kind of hard for me to do that while I'm trying to focus on my job. But I am going to work at trying to do better at getting videos of myself. I really loved getting videos of other techs, and I'm hoping to get some more technicians that are willing to do this. So let me know what you think below, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. And be prepared to get out there.